guys, I have something that I want to share with you that I think is a must-have for any driver out there. It's the PI Auto Store digital air compressor, now with a superior new best-in-class pump. This literally could be a lifesaver when you're out on the road. Now it comes with a great setup, as you see here. It comes with a carry case, it comes with adapters for pumping sports equipment, it even has spare valve caps included in the package. And this powerful yet compact inflator is capable of filling a mid-size car tire from flat to 30 psi in under 3 minutes. It's simple to use. Simply plug it into your 12-volt car outlet, easily set the desired pressure by pressing the button seen here. The target pressure will be displayed on the new, improved, and larger backlit LCD display gauge, then simply inflate your tire. It even has this new quick connector to attach to your tire valve. Just put on, push the lever down, and fill. When you're done, simply lift the lever and detach with almost no air escaping. The microprocessor that's built into this digital tire inflator is going to automatically stop when the tire reaches your desired level of air pressure. You know, this is just a great gift for anyone who drives a lot. It stores compactly in your trunk, takes up very little room, and it's made of superior quality components that you can rely on in an emergency. Not only that, it looks great, it's light, it's easy to carry, and it's great for using to fill your tires on your bikes, motorcycles, RVs, ATVs, and pretty much anything with tires. And this pump is quiet. In fact, it's the quietest inflator in its category, so you're not going to bother the neighbors when you're filling your tires. It also has a super powerful LED light that can be used at night to see the tire valve prior to inflation, or it can be used as a red LED emergency light for breakdown use. Just another awesome feature of this multi-purpose inflator. When you're done with the inflator, the cable is a breeze to store. Simply wrap it around your hand in a neat coil, put the connector in first, and then push the cable in on top. Once you have this inflator in your car, you're never going to need to go to a garage or gas station again to fill your tires. Now, and give yourself or someone in your life peace of mind when on the road.